Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I am showing you another video. It is I think December 22nd, and I'm going to cook a turkey breast. We got a whole turkey in the oven because Ned is here and he's doing that, and it's in the oven right now. But I want to use my Ninja Impossible, I think that's what it's called. I want to use that machine, and I want to do a turkey breast. I have a 6-pound turkey breast. I think if you had a 10-pound turkey or so, you'd have to cut the back out and it would fit in this machine. But I don't think too much bigger would fit in this machine when it's a whole turkey without taking a back out or something. That's just my opinion. But I am going to show you what I'm doing. I kind of already got started, so you just hold on and you'll see. Okay, as you can see, I got a lot of stuff on my table. I got the Christmas tree. You know what this thing is. Tablecloth on here. So, but you know, that's what at this moment, that's what I'm doing because I'm cooking a lot of stuff over here. And there is my potatoes for my potato salad. And then my other one, which is a mess over there, but in there, come on, get up there. In my other crock pot over there, that's got the eggs for the potato salad in there. Those are basically ready. But meanwhile, I want to get this thing on into the Impossible pot. You see that? That's the Impossible pot right here. And in the pot, let me show you what I got already in there. In the pot, there's some carrots, some apples, some oranges, some sage and thyme, celery, onions, already in there. So I'm gonna put the turkey on top of that. But right now I want to just show you what I'm gonna do with the turkey. And there's the turkey. This isn't a 6-pound turkey right here. And it got the little, you know, the thing that pulls out. I'm debating whether I'm gonna keep that in or not. I don't know, maybe I will. But what I wanna do is kind of quickly season the thing. And yep, this is the back right here. So, and I think I have to put it in. If I got to put it in on the side, then this thing is going to stay up. All right, this, you know, we experimenting right here. So first of all, this is some butter. This is some butter and some ranch dressing right here. I do this with my turkeys. So I got some butter, ranch dressing, and it's more soupy because I didn't leave it out just to get soft. So it's really melted. But it's better if it's soupy. Well, it is what it is right now. And I put my hand in here and I open this up so I can put some of the stuff in here. Put that just like that. I don't need that right now. So right now I'm going to go in here and put some of this good old juice up in here, right on the turkey. That's what I'm going to do. Get right in on the turkey on the inside so that it gets nice and it stays nice and moist. That's my point to this whole thing. And to the other side. You guys can see. Good. I opened it up already so I can get my hand in here. I got it in. And I just want to put all of that in the inside of this turkey. Need it in here. Okay. All that butter, all that good butter is in it. Then put it on the outside of the turkey also. Get that nice flavor to this turkey. And it's frankly okay to have all that in here because put you over here like that. See all that butter. It's gonna be a good little piece of turkey right here. And in here, get this in. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Guys, excuse me for a minute. I gotta wash my hand. Right now, I want to now just give it a little extra seasoning. You know, some onion powder and some poultry. Oops, there you go. This is poultry seasoning. This is onion powder, and there's some garlic powder. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on top of the turkey. Now, let me do it just like this. Open this up. Open it this way. So I can sprinkle what I want on here. I gotta pick it up. Come on, girl. Where we picking you up at? I think we're picking you up over here. Alrighty. Pick you up over here. I'll hold you in my hand and I'm going to sprinkle everything on here. And the reason I'm doing it this way, is so that, you know, you put the seasoning on after you put the butter on, so it could kind of stick, you know. Same thing here. Can I open you on here? Listen, I'll get to you. Then this is the poultry seasoning. Right there. I really want to get inside. I think what I'll do is put it up there and get inside. That's what I think. So watch me. Get one hand over here. All right. I think I'm gonna put her in here so I can get inside the turkey. Come this way. Come this way, girl. Still have some of this butter left. Put some inside the turkey. And I'm going to, hold on, gotta wash my hand again. Inside there, I have the butter, a little more butter. I'm going to put some poultry seasoning in here. As you can see, this is poultry seasoning. Get it on here like best I can. Get this onion powder on here, in here, the best I can. And it's okay, because this is by the meat. And then here with the garlic powder, which I could not open with one hand. So here's some garlic powder in here too, on that side. And in here, I'm gonna stick an orange in here. Stick one orange up in that bad boy. And I'm gonna turn it over. Come on, turn. So like I said, do we turn it this way, or, because it will not, it's not really good. It might, let me see, maybe I can. Oh, I think maybe I can. I can kind of get it up like that. Great. So I got it in like this where I'll be able to put the cover on. So like, again, this is 6 pounds. If I was to do this and don't have something, but something has to be on the bottom so it can, you know, rack up like it's supposed to. So I would still say that you gotta put that on the bottom. But since I have it this way, that's kind of cool. And I need one more thing. I'll be right back. I had to get another orange because I want to put the orange in, up in here, up in the butt, right? Whatever that is, in the breast area. I want that orange right up in there. And I'll put the other one in here. And I will sprinkle this some more with some more poultry seasoning. Hopefully it'll stick a little better. And that's kind of it. A little more garlic on here. And also a little more onion powder. And I want to put some, not butter. I want to put some better than bouillon in here. Because I want gravy. So I got some chicken better than bouillon. And I'm going to put that right, like I'm going to put this much in here. In the bottom. In the bottom. And I'm going to put some water. I'm going to put like this much water in here because it's sitting up and I want some gravy. And so I said, let me just stick it in here and do it like that. This is some more sage. I'm going to put this sage all around and get rid of it anyway. So I'm going to have my sage up in here. As a matter of fact, I do believe I'm put some sage on here too. Some sage right on top. Because, you know, that's what really makes this whole thing be festive. Sage is the answer to everything. Some sage on there. I'm also going to put a little ground thyme on here. This stuff comes out real fast, so just a little on here. All I got is minced garlic, so I'm going to put some in the bottom of this. And it should be really good because I want gravy. That's what I want. And we will get gravy. If you put some water and stuff in there and the juices and stuff, you're going to have some gravy. That's what I want to do. All right, here's the top. I'm going to put the top on. Yep, looks like it fits. It fits pretty well. All right, guys. What we're doing is I'm going to turn her on. It's on slow cook. I want it on bake. Honestly. Yep. I want it on bake. It's on 350 and it's going to bake. Now the package said if you bake it, I believe it's like, because of that size, maybe 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So I'm going to do bake. Let me do the time. Got 15 minutes, yeah. No, not 15 minutes. You gotta go up. Haven't used this that much, but I really wanted to use it. I don't know how many hours we're gonna go here, but we'll see together. 2, 3, good. Keep going, baby. 4, I'm gonna leave it at 4. 4 hours, 350, press start. And it got that bingo, the tingle that it always makes. And we'll be back in like 4 hours or so. Let's see what this looks like. All right, guys, it's Stephanie, and I'm busy. I'm doing a whole bunch of things today, but I'll talk to you later. I just wanted to throw this in here and give you a video. And I know you ain't gonna see it until after Christmas, but it'll be there for next Christmas or whatever, or Easter or whatever you want to make yourself a turkey and the Ninja possible, whatever this thing's called. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. And I'm telling you, this thing's been smelling delicious. I got to see if you guys can really see what's in this pot. It's done because, I had my temperature on here. And this sucker is at like 194. It's done. It's a breast, so it's done. And you see the gravy at the bottom there? That's what I wanted. All right, so let me make with my alfalfa, as Ned calls it, my alfalfa hair. Listen, I ain't doing nothing to my hair. I'm trying to get done. I got some potato salad going. I got a peach cobbler in the oven, and I got to get this out of here. So I'm going to get it out. I'm going to have to sit, for a minute. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I also need to make gravy, and Ned's bird is. Let me show you where Ned's bird is. Let's see if you can see Ned's bird. This is Ned's bird. I don't know if you can see that really. Let me put it up like that. Oops, sorry for the swinging. But that's Ned's bird. It's been sitting there. That needs to get cut. So we are going to do a few little things like that. Hold up. We're going to do a few things like that. I'll be back to show you what it looks like. You can see my Christmas tree behind me. It's Christmas, okay? It's the 22nd of December. All right, I am going to finish up my potato salad, and I'm going to cut this up, and I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to take it out so it can sit, and I'll be back. I will be back. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I just cut a little bit of this turkey up because I'm doing a whole lot of stuff today. So I just want to show you, as moist as it could possibly be with good flavor. And Only thing I would say, I think you had it on, it's set for 4 hours. Probably had it on for 3. And I would have definitely taken a look at it at 2. The thing cooks very fast. That's the thing I could say. It really cooks very fast because it's in that vessel. And it really does cook fast. Oh my gosh, I got a lot to do. Here we go. Here's a piece of the turkey breast. Marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. I made some gravy between what Ned had and mine. I made some gravy out of that. Absolutely marvelous. When I finish a couple little things, I'm having me a turkey sandwich with gravy. Anyway, guys, I know that Christmas will have passed. Of course, you'll see that Christmas tree back there. But I know Christmas has passed when you see this video. But anyway, I wanted to do something and get it in for the next time I can get it in. So hopefully it may be January when you see this. But you can use this recipe at any time. So anyhow, guys, I hope you had a great Christmas and Happy New Year and Happy 2025. And let the best for everyone come to you. I really pray that for everybody. Get the best, okay? Keep your head up and be positive. Talk to you soon, and I love you. And please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later.